Hi guys, just arrived at Stannah. It's one of my local walks with the dog. Pretty, like a 20-minute drive away from my house. Brilliant walk. So let's see if we can get to the boats. The weather today is a bit cold, a bit wet. At least it's not raining. It's really good. But yeah, I'm at Stannah today. You can't see much, but I'll show you a bit more down the lane. So my plan today is to get down to the boats. It's only a couple mile walk, it's not too bad. It's just good to get out by myself. It's a good walk. I've done this walk many times with the family. They love it. Oh, that's a new feature. That's a new sitting area. Never seen that before. Oh, devastation of these trees. The wind. Oh no, that looks like it's been cut down properly. Sorry if the wind, you're catching the wind in this. It's quite a blustery day. I haven't got one of those dead cats on my camera. Is that what they call them? I don't know what they're called. It might be just a thing my family call them. But stepdad just calls them dead cats. He's got a big one for his GoPro, which I'm currently using actually. Oh, look at that view. Bit of view there. Oh, I think it's time for a coffee. Nice bench here. There's a bit of an overcast. I certainly can't wait for the summer to come. I'm going to chase them sunrises and actually get one. I've never actually got to a place where it's dark and I can actually watch it come up. That'd be something to do. That's this year's goal. I'm going to do that and I'll video it. I'll get it done. Yeah, it's about 4 o'clock now. Usually it's getting really dark by now, but the summer's coming. It doesn't matter how many times I come here, it always looks different. When the tide brings everything in and pulls everything out, it's just different. Oh, the boat beach's over there. It's quite quiet today. There's not many people. Normally on this time of the day, there's loads of dog walkers. Probably the weather scaring them off. I know it doesn't seem very high, but me and my brother used to just go up it, and then towards the end we just like jump off it. We came out with loads of cuts and bruises, but it was a hell of a time. It was awesome. Yeah, falling off the bike down here. It's great. But yeah. Oh, we're halfway through now. Don't know if you can see, but there are all the boats down there. So I just got to do this. There's a loop around here. Something tells me that's not going to sail anytime soon. There's no trespassing. It's like a death trap. Oh my god. Keep off. Oh, there's a working boat. Pendle Witch. Some people live on these. I think that'd be nice, depending on the weather. Coming to the end of it now. There's a little bird box. If you've gotten this far into the video, thank you. All I want to say is please subscribe, comment and like the video, and let me know where you want to see next. Some of these jetties have seen better days. That one seems alright. There's a bit of a crack in it. Abandoned boat. Can't imagine that's seaworthy anymore. Or that one. That's a really nice one. I'm glad that it's getting warmer now. Like throughout the days I was wearing 5 layers. Now I'm only down to 2. So it's getting a little warmer now. I mean, some mornings it's a bit frosty when I go to work. But once I get moving at work, I'm sweating. Absolutely sweating. Some more abandoned boats. Look at that one. That's overgrown. Wow, look at that. Bet it takes some money to get rid of. That's probably why they haven't gotten rid of it. Let it just rot into the sea. No entry. That's a death trap. Oh, quite abandoned. So the people that own the boats rent out the land and have got to build the jetties themselves. So I'm not sure if that's at all ports, but at this one I was just talking to a guy back then, I didn't get his name. But yeah, he said he rents it, but the cost of materials and everything to repair his jetty, it's just astronomical. But the other land, they have to pay, I think they pay on £400, £300-400 a month, or is it a year? I don't know, I can't remember what he said to me. But yeah, that seems like an expensive hobby. Maintaining the boat, maintaining the jetties. Whee! That doesn't look very safe, does it? Look at it. I'm only 5'5". Why hell, they just go under it. Oh, it's not very safe either. It looks like I can go no further. My entrance is blocked. I don't know if you can see in the on the phone, but it's getting a little dark now, so start heading back. Thank you for joining me on this walk. This is the Stannah Estuary walk. Thank you and goodbye. See you later.